How to delete your Bumble account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, now in order to delete your Bumble account, you need to navigate to your profile. So tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. After you are in your profile page, in the top right corner you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings page, next up you have to scroll down to the bottom, and right below this logout button you can see the option of delete accounts. So if you want to delete your Bumble account, you can simply tap on this option. You need to select the reason that you are deleting your account for and choose this delete account option. Now you have to type in the word delete all in the lowercase letters. Once you do that, you can tap on this confirm button. This process is permanent and it cannot be reverted. So only do this process if you are sure to delete your account. So that's how you can easily delete your Bumble account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.